monopoly. Next one, subcontracting. Subcontracting is not JV, but it is mutual relationship between two parties, mutual beneficial relationship between two parties. So when a company places an order with another company for production of parts to be incorporated into the product sold by the contractor. For example, Hyundai and Ford are producing cars, right? So they will give the parts for the manufacturing of parts to subcontractors in the nearby SCOT or SITCO, where they have established their unit. So it is less like subcontract. Instead of importing everything from abroad, so they can get the local product from the local industries already set up in the SITCO is Small Industries Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu, and SITCO is Small Industries Development Corporation. So where I told you we have many companies set up in these industrial parks. So these companies will be given contracts by Hyundai and Ford for delivering their auxiliary parts. So that is going to be subcontracting. So it's a direct relationship between large and small enterprises. The Hyundai and Ford is a very huge enterprise. The subcontractor is a very small company. So there is a direct relationship, and this will be continuing depending on the quality assurance given by a subcontractor. So in India, they are called as ancillarization or ancillary units. So India, don't call it subcontracting, you call it as ancillary units or ancillarization. That is the term you call it in India. Stages of subcontracting, it increases production. So guaranteed monthly requirement is so much. So you can increase the production. So contractor, no need of investing on plant machinery. So the contractor, namely Hyundai and Ford, they need not establish their company to produce the spare parts. They can just get it from the one which is already available to them. Suitable for manufacture of goods temporarily, provides business to small scale industries. So you are motivating the small scale industries to continue their business by giving you contracts. Core form flexible in their production. So you can have some flexibility in the production. Disadvantages, uncertainty in regular supply. You cannot depend on the small scale industry so much because initially the company was doing well, but now because of the huge orders given by you, the company may not do well or they may compromise on quality. So uncertainty will be there in regular supply. Inconsistent quality, which will lead to defects. Okay, limits expansion or diversification. You cannot expand or diversify your unit. A delay in payment by contractors. If the contractor, big companies are not paying on time, then the subcontracting doesn't look meaningful because the other companies, subcontracting parties will lose their interest. The money is not received on time. So they will also try to delay. So ultimately, it leads to not a good situation between the contractor and the subcontractor. Okay.